If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. If you are watching this video, I'm assuming that you are thinking about joining the LiveGood opportunity, because right now, a lot of people in the network marketing and affiliate marketing world are talking about LiveGood. There's a lot of people promoting LiveGood, and there's a lot of people hating on LiveGood. All right. But as somebody who is in LiveGood and who is making money with LiveGood, there is something that I need to say. All right. I got to keep it all the way real. Here's what I got to say. Do not join LiveGood if you are hoping to make over $5,000 a month and planning on not doing anything. Let me say it again. Do not join LiveGood if you are hoping to make over $5,000. That means $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month, which some people are doing in LiveGood, right? Do not join if you want to make that money, but are planning on not doing anything, all right? Because maybe you heard, maybe you haven't, that you can actually make money in LiveGood without having to promote or without having to sell any products or recruit anybody. It is actually possible to do this in LiveGood. Now, I don't care what nobody else say, no haters, scam videos, whatever. That is a fact. You can receive money in LiveGood, and it's called, from spillover. That's basically when a lot of people are coming in who are above you, start doing a lot of recruiting, and as the company grows, more and more people comes into the company. These people have to go underneath people that's already in the company. So eventually you will start getting people underneath you that you didn't recruit, and you will earn a small bit of money from those people. This is a fact, right? Now, in the best case scenario, when it comes to spillover, right? Best case scenario is you would max out at little over $2,000 a month. Now, this when people get all crazy and like confused, right? There's no guarantee when you will max out at $2,000, right? It could happen 6 months after you join. It might happen 5 years after you join, right? But keep in mind, this is for people who join LiveGood and don't take any action. They don't promote the business. They don't talk about it, or, they just didn't make any money, right? You have the potential to make a little over $2,000 a month. And even though that could come across as a negative, I tell people all the time, even if that was the case, right, where you just didn't promote it and all you had to do was pay your $10 a month membership fee, and that could put you in a position to earn spillover money, it's still worth it to join LiveGood. Don't get me wrong, right? It's still worth it, because even if, say, 2 years from now, you didn't max out at $2,000, right, in spillover, but you didn't do anything, but maybe you're getting an extra $150 every month from your matrix, and you didn't do nothing. Would that be worth it, right? You paying $10 a month, but now you're getting $150 a month? What if you was getting an extra $400? You know what I'm saying? From spillover, right? So keep that in mind. But going back to the point of this video, if you're joining and you're like, yo, but I see these people making $5,000 and $10,000. I want to make that money, but I'm not really going to do nothing. I'm going to tell you right now, if you are planning to join and make the big money, right? That's what I joined for. You have to take it serious, and you have to promote. You have to. I know some people are like, I don't want to promote it. This opportunity is very easy to promote. There's many ways to promote this opportunity, but you just have to commit. That's it. You just have to commit to yourself, commit to the opportunity, and really know, like, these are my goals. I'm going to take action. I'm going to make it happen. Because the cool thing about LiveGood is you actually can earn a lot of money from just a few referrals, right? Because you need to understand, when it comes to LiveGood, you get a 50% matching bonus for every personal refer that you bring into LiveGood. All right. So just say, for example, you bring in 10 referrals, personal referrals. That's all you bring. 10, right? In a year, right? You bring in 10. Just say two of them out of 10, they go hard. They're actually go-getters. They bout this life, right? And these people are making $2,000 a month, each person. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus for each of those people. So now you're getting $2,000 a month from what these two referrals did, plus whatever you're getting from your own matrix, you're going to be getting, right? So just think about that. So now you got to ask yourself, how many people do you want to refer, right? How many people can you personally refer when it comes to LiveGood? And this is where the whole affiliate marketing aspect comes into play, because don't forget, you get $25 commissions for your referral. That's cool. You know, that's a one-time bonus thing. Cool. But you need to remember, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus from whatever those people earn. But guess what? You got to get these people. You know what I'm saying? You got to get your referrals. And the only way you're going to do that is by actually promoting the LiveGood opportunity. And the good news is, it's easy to promote. All you need to do is figure out your style of promoting. Do you want to use video with YouTube? Do you want to use Facebook marketing, you know, posting on Facebook? Do you want to take it offline and get flyers and posters and business cards? Whatever you want to do, decide and do it. Because I'm growing this business and I'm having fun growing this business, and I'm just looking at the future, and I'm putting myself in a position to be able to earn the $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month, right? If I'm doing it, you definitely can do it. It's all about taking this opportunity serious, but more importantly, taking action. So if you're ready to jump on the LiveGood team, whether you just want to earn a little bit of money from LiveGood, from spillover, or you want to make the big money, you got big goals, click that link in the description, get signed up, and I will see you on the team.